Righto guys, we made it off the Nullarbor. We left Mundrabella, finally got the road open. And we're in Esperance now. So we stayed at Craguna, we free camped on the Nullarbor. You'll see that one in the early episode, and then we went to Norseman, stayed at Norseman Caravan Park. Won't show that either, that's also on an early episode. Nothing fancy there. And then we come down to Esperance. Now we're at the Esperance RAC Holiday Park. It's not much, there's a few caravan parks down here, but yeah, it's a massive place, right on the beach. 46 bucks a night, power and water, but it's just jam-packed. I mean, we had a site we had to move because we couldn't get under a tree with the height of the van. Pack you in like sardines, typical holiday park. So we come down to the overflow area and we've got a nice big grass power and water area. Yeah, and the beach is just over there. So we've got a nice big grassy area. There's only 4 or 5 overflow areas that are all grass, power and water. So we managed to score one of them. But the rest of the park, look, nice park, swimming pool, all amenities for kids, nice toilet block. But it's not my cup of tea. It's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of bays, and completely not my cup of tea. Too touristy, too many people. Definitely nice. So we're out of here in a day's time. Stay here 2 days, and we're going to go bush again. We'll go up the Esperance coast, have a look at the tourist drive, have a look at the beaches, and give you a look at that with the drone, hopefully, if the wind's not too bad, which it is today. And we'll have a look around, and then I think we're going to head back inland again, away from the coast, and get away from all these tourists. But yeah, that's us. We'll probably head down, show the beach, show you a bit around Esperance, and let you know where we're going next and when we head off. So we're out and about early this morning. Thought we'll get up before the rain comes in, and we'll head up to the top of the hill in Esperance and have a look at the lookout. And then we'll head up to the Great Ocean Drive and check out the beaches in Esperance. Let's go have a look out and have a look. Not a bad little view. Overcast today, it's going to rain later on, so we thought we'll get out and about and check it out while we could. So yeah, we'll head up to the along the Ocean Drive and see what we can see on the beaches. We're limited with the dogs where we can go, so we'll do what we can and we'll have a look. So this one's West Beach, guys. So this is the first beach we're coming to. We'll go down and down the steps and take the dogs on the beach and have a look. Wow, what a specky little beach this one is. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, this one's a pretty cool little beach just out of town. The first of many we'll visit today. Go for a little walk with the dogs and give them a bit of exercise. The only problem is now we've got to get back up there. I don't know how many more beaches with these steps there are, but I need to lie down. I'm buggered. She's going stupid. She's loving it. Absolute mental dog. And that's a workout and a half getting down to these beaches. So we'll move on and see if we can survive the day without having a cardiac arrest. Righto guys, stopped at another one. This one is Salmon Beach, and the old waves and swell down here. She's pretty horrific. Beautiful water though, nice and blue. Even though it's rough with the swell, she's pretty magic looking beach. This one's Blue Haven Beach, really beautiful blue water. I'm not going down on the beach, too many steps this one. Yeah, really nice. And we've got another one down the road. This is Fourth Beach.